Prime Minister Narendra Modi today held a high-level meeting to review India's COVID situation, in which he discussed the containment strategies, need to scale up testing and focus on healthcare resources and distribution of oxygen supply in rural areas. An immediate audit of installation and operation of ventilators provided by the central government to states should be carried out, the Prime Minister said, as he took serious note of some reports about ventilators lying unutilized in storage in some states. Training should be provided to healthcare workers if necessary, he said. The remarks come 2 days after the Health Ministry dismissed reports suggesting that ventilators supplied by the centre, financed from the PM CARES Fund, to a state-run hospital in Punjab's Faridkot are lying unused because of technical glitches. The creation of the new district of Malerkotla in Punjab is a reflection of the divisive policy of the Congress, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath said today, hitting out at Amrinder Singh government. Any distinction based on faith and religion is contrary to the spirit of India's constitution. At this time, the formation of Malerkotla in Punjab is a reflection of the divisive policy of the Congress, Yogi Adityanath tweeted in Hindi a day after Amrinder Singh made the announcement. Singh on Friday had declared Malerkotla as the 23rd district of Punjab while announcing several projects for the development of the historic city about 131 kilometers from Chandigarh. Malerkotla was carved out of Sangrur district. The Chief Minister made this announcement during the state-level celebration of Eid held virtually due to the pandemic. At least a dozen people have been arrested by Delhi police over posters criticizing Prime Minister Narendra Modi's handling of the COVID-19 pandemic that came up in the past few days in the capital, sources have told NDTV on Saturday. The police have registered more than 13 first information reports under sections of the Defacement of Public Property Act, besides other laws. The arrests were made by 4 different divisions of the police: Eastern Range, East, Central and Northeast, suggesting the operation was a coordinated action. The move comes over posters that had emerged in several parts of the city with messages like Modi ji aapne hamare bachchon ki vaccine videsh kyun bhej diya, which means Modi ji, why did you send vaccines meant for our children abroad? Cyclonic storm Taukte, which is likely to intensify into a severe cyclonic storm within 3 hours, may hit Gujarat coast by Tuesday, the weather office has said. Gujarat and Div coasts are under a cyclone watch. This is the first cyclonic storm this year as India fights a deadly second wave of COVID, which has led to a frightening surge in the country's caseload over the last 2 months. The cyclone is likely to intensify further into a very severe cyclonic storm in the next 12 hours. It is expected to cross Gujarat coast between Porbandar and Nalia on Tuesday afternoon. More than 50 teams of NDRF are on duty in 5 states including Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat and Maharashtra. Visuals showed rescue teams helping residents in Kerala's Kochi, which is hit hard by the heavy rainfall on Friday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will also hold a review meeting this evening. The West Bengal government today announced that the state will go under a near lockdown for 2 weeks starting tomorrow. Looking to curb the spread of COVID-19 infections, all offices and educational institutions will be shut down during this period. Even transport services including Kolkata Metro will come to a halt, the government has said. Only emergency services will be allowed, the state's notification says, adding that the grocery shops selling essential items will stay open between 7 am to 10 am. West Bengal Chief Secretary Alapan Bandyopadhyay said today. Interestingly, sweet meat vendors will be allowed to function between 10 am and 5 pm. Similarly, petrol pumps will stay open and so will banks, although only between 10 am to 2 pm.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free.
First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs.
So, hope to see you soon with our badges.